Welcome back to another episode of Building Real Communication Skills. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're talking about one of the most common goals for English learners, sounding more natural in everyday conversations.
Exactly. Even if your grammar is perfect, sometimes your speech can sound a little too formal or textbook. Today, we'll teach you how to sound more like a native speaker, relaxed, confident, and fluent.
Let's start with simple expressions. Instead of saying, "How are you?" you can mix it up with, "Hey, what's up? How's it going? What have you been up to?"
Yes, and when someone asks you, "How are you?" don't always say, "I'm fine, thank you." Try these instead. "I'm doing great, thanks." "Not bad, how not you?" "Pretty good, just a bit tired."
Native speakers often connect words when speaking fast. For example, instead of "I am going to," we say "I'm gonna." Instead of "What are you doing?" it becomes "What you doing?"
It's not bad grammar, it's just how real people speak in daily life. You don't have to use it all the time, but learning these can help you understand and sound natural in conversations. One big secret to speaking naturally is to think in English. When you translate from your language, you slow down and lose flow.
Try describing what you're doing in English throughout the day. For example, I'm making coffee. I need to check my messages. That's how your brain gets used to forming English sentences quickly.
Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, or conversations between native speakers. Pay attention to intonation, pauses, and fillers like you know, like, or I mean.
Yes, and don't be afraid to imitate. Shadowing, repeating what you hear, helps you match rhythm and tone.
So, to sound more natural, remember, use everyday phrases, learn connected speech, think in English, practice listening and shadowing.
Keep practicing every day, and soon your conversations will flow naturally.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next episode, all about English expressions for emotions and reactions.